I provided you with a high-tension grapple line I call the Q-Claw. Use this device to latch onto special perforated surfaces in order to pull yourself up to ledges and platforms. You'll also carry the Q-Laser, which emits a powerful beam of coherent light capable of slicing through metal alloys commonly used in locks.
A CIA agent is being held in this research facility. She was caught while retrieving a case containing suspicious research materials. Find the case and see to her safety. Bond, M here. I'll try to keep in contact with you.
Drop your weapon!
careful, 007. They may know you're inside.
Security personnel to the cultivation area.
Kill the light!
I've located the vials Nightshade was looking for.
Security personnel to the submarine pen. Repeat. Security personnel to the submarine pen.
007. We believe the American agent is being held somewhere on the lower levels.
Don't lie to me. I know you're a spy. Now, call off your compatriot.
Go to hell!
You first. Enjoy the ride.
Prepare to launch the sub!
Submarine to launch in 5 minutes.
Need backup.
They're on to you, Bond. Find the girl and get out. You've got to get on that submarine, 007.
see you. Please cut this off. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you.
I'm sure we'll think of something.
Good work on your successful infiltration of the research facility, Bond. As you know, your liberation of Nightshade did not go undetected. Block's men have been ordered to apprehend you at all costs. I recommend you leave the driving to her and use whatever means at your disposal to fend off enemy attackers. Your destination is Identicon's factory near the dockyards. Agent Nightshade has indicated that the second shipment with the last set of vials can be found there. Penetrate their defenses and recover that case. Once you have recovered the vials, deliver them to R for analysis. He will be waiting for you within the dockyards and will escort Agent Nightshade to safety.
Looks like we have company, Zoe. Keep a firm grip on the wheel. I'll hold them off.
Watch out for that helicopter! There's more of them dead ahead! There's a roadblock ahead.
Turn left here, Zoe.
James, we're surrounded. Ahead.
Slow down, Zoe.
Good shot, James. Those cars are in the way. Ouch. That's gonna leave a mark.
building straight ahead of us, Zoe. Why don't we drop in for a visit?
On the catwalk ahead! There's another crew on the left!
To the dock, Zoe. We'll get my car.
Thought you'd never ask.
Nice of you to join me, 007.
Sorry, I was delayed.
Let's get on with it, shall we? May I present our new BMW Z8? With a few modifications, of course. Forward-mounted rockets, retractable machine guns, dual side-vent deployed missiles, titanium armor, a rocket booster concealed behind the rear license plate, and, of course, a refrigerated beverage holder. Do take care of this machine, 007. You seem to have no appreciation for the painstaking effort that goes into building this type of equipment. She's dead, 007.
Bond, it's too late for her, but the assassin has taken the vials. Get after them. .007. It's too late for Agent Nightshade, but she needn't have died in vain. It's imperative that you reclaim those vials as quickly as possible. We've intercepted their radio transmission. They intend to transfer the vials to an armored van for more secure transportation. You must get to that rendezvous before they escape. Should you be unable to prevent the transfer from occurring, you must stop the armored van at all costs. Use caution, however. We need those vials intact.
007? I've airdropped some Q-Lab equipment into your area. They will appear as blips on your radar. The Q-Pulse is particularly effective in disabling vehicles without damaging their contents. You'll need to get within a few meters of your target and allow adequate charge-up time to ensure success.
The Q-branch briefcase that contains the vials is equipped with a locating beacon, 007. The arrow on your radar will enable you to track it.
Those blips on your radar indicate special modifications I've developed for your vehicle, 007. Use them sparingly, however.
Bond, the vials have been transferred to that armored van. It is imperative that we recover them. Those vials may hold valuable information, 007. I suggest you try to restrain your usual explosive manner. The Q branch briefcase that contains the vials is equipped with a locating beacon, 007. The arrow on your radar will enable you to track it.
Those blips on your radar indicate special modifications I've developed for your vehicle, 007. Use them sparingly, however. The vials have been transferred to that armored van. It is imperative that we recover them.